So what is up, guys? I will be packing my stuff for my cameras and gear. I'm putting them in this bag, and this is all my stuff from clothes and all. I'm just putting it in this other bag, and then I'm gonna put all this stuff now. We're good to go. I'm ready, and I'll see you guys in the airport. To the voice. We are now here at the airport. Sean right over there. My dad right over there. And then my mom and my aunt right here, just waiting for the time. It's already 10:02, and flight boards at 10:25. So yeah, we'll just be waiting here. You can see there's no seat anywhere. So yeah, let's go. Manila. Yes, we are here in Manila, guys. Okay. We are currently waiting for time, doing some editing stuff right over here. Sure, what is up, guys? We still got 6 hours left here in the airport. We are going to roam around in this airport and do some, amazing stuff here if we can. So yeah, come on, let's check it out.
Hey. Cash in the safe, you can relate. Up in the state, words I relate. Boss that is spit, coming my way. My girl, she bad, she wanna taste. Ain't no complaint, come to the gate. Don't shoot me up, I will be late. I look so good, I look so great. I do my thing, don't care about the hate. Fans on, don't care. Bitch, long hair, long teeth. Bitch, I run so fast that I win the race. Two ways together, that's amazing grace. People wanna talk, people wanna hate. I've been doing good in the state, come and play. Vision on vision, let's build. I'm a young kid going in for the kill. Bitch, don't fall in love. Yeah, you'll break your heart. She be the bae. Don't give a fuck. But that ass so flick. But that ass so fat. I don't care about y'all. Finna hit it from the back. In the safe, you can relate. Up in the state, words I relate. Watch that spit, coming my way. My girl, she bad, she wanna taste. There ain't no complaint, come to the gate. Don't shoot me up, I will be late. I look so good, I look so great. I do my thing, don't care about the hate. Cash in the safe, you can relate. Up in the state, words I relate. Watch that spit, coming my way. My girl, she bad, she wanna taste. There ain't no complaint, come to the gate. Don't shoot me up, I will be late. I look so good, I look so great. I do my thing, don't care about the hate. Ho. Ho.
In the boarding gates, guys, we are now here already. Just had a load check out in immigration and checking online and all. It's like about a few hours we'll be on the. And we are now finally in the plane, guys. There's Sean over here, Regina, same Al, same here. So the flight is about like 8 hours. It's gonna be a long flight. So we'll see you guys in.
Hey. Cash in the safe, you can relate. Up in the state, words I relate. Boss that is spit, coming my way. My girl, she bad, she wanna taste.